In this video, you will learn how to answer library activity question number 2. Question number 2 is asking us to use MinerQuest to find articles about your topic. This is the information that we're going to need to find. The type of article it is, whether it's a scholarly article, newspaper article, or a magazine article, what the name of the article's title is, what the name of the journal, newspaper, or magazine the article is published in, and finally, what year was the article published in. So let's do an advanced search in MinerQuest. Previously, when we're looking for books, I suggested that we keep our search terms broad. But for articles, you really want to use at least 2 search terms so that your results can be smaller. So I'm going to type in climate change and renewable energy. This ensures that all of my sources are going to include both search terms across all of my results. So for question number 2, you're going to type in your topic just like you did with question number 1, but try to add another search term that's related to your topic to reduce the number of results. So now I'm going to click on search. And now I want to filter by articles. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to go to source type, and I'm going to choose articles, which includes scholarly articles and magazine articles. And I'm going to choose newspaper articles and click on apply filters. So I have 185,000 results. I can add another search term to make this number smaller. However, be aware if you do decide to add another search term and you don't want to lose your filters that you've already selected, make sure that you click on remember all filters. That way you won't lose these in a brand new search. So for the first part of the question, telling if it's an academic article, newspaper article, or magazine article, we can tell by the information that the results tell us. For instance, if I see peer-reviewed, that tells me that this article is a scholarly peer-reviewed article. If you need a refresher on remembering the differences between academic scholarly articles, newspaper articles, and magazine articles, please refer back to the tutorial videos in Module B. If it's a magazine article, then you won't see that peer-reviewed option there. Whereas if it's a newspaper article, it will tell you at the top of the result, and the graphic will reflect that as well. So that's how we're able to tell what kind of article it is. Now let's actually click on an article. So we know this is a newspaper article, and we have the title of the article, but how do we figure out where it was published? So right beneath the title and the authors is the name of the newspaper, magazine, or journal that this article was published in. And the final part of the question is asking what year was the article published in. That's going to be found right next to the name of the publication. So that's how you answer question number 2. If you have any questions or need clarification, please contact your librarian or peer leader.